high-speed fiber laser technology, the AccuCut delivers razor-sharp detail on thin metals like 2mm brass. Clean edges, tight tolerances, and flawless repeatability, even on the most complex designs. When marking any type of metal material with minimal heat distortion, the FM Fiber Laser Marker delivers precise engravings, sharp edges, and consistent depth. UV lasers engrave leather with ultra-fine detail and almost no burn marks. Their cold processing beam delivers clean, crisp designs without scorching. What's your vision? Schedule a free in-person or virtual demo and see which Boss machine is right for you.